How to make your Facebook account private. Before we start the video, make sure that you have your Facebook application updated. To update, simply click on the App Store and search Facebook. If the App Store shows you an option of updating, then it means that your Facebook has not been updated to the latest version. Once you have updated, select the Facebook application and select the profile menu at the bottom right corner. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner and select Privacy Checkup. Now tap on Who can see what you share. Hit Continue. Now what you're going to do here is select all of these options and select individually Only Me. Make sure that all of these options have turned into Only Me. And that's it. This is how you can private your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.